Anger is not your problem. Uncontrolled anger is. Anger itself is just a signal you need to listen to. You get angry when something feels unfair, when a boundary is crossed, when someone violates your values, when something feels wrong. Anger says, that's not okay. In its healthy form, anger gives you backbone. It helps you stand up for yourself, protect your time, defend someone vulnerable, demand fairness. Without anger, we would tolerate disrespect. We would stay silent in the face of injustice. But here where it goes wrong. Anger becomes destructive when you see attack where there is none. You interpret neutral comment as threat. You distort the story, or you react faster than you reflect. Suppressing anger, that's just as dangerous. Suppressed anger doesn't disappear. It turns into resentment, bitterness, passive aggression, even depression. So the goal is not to explode and is not to bury it. The goal is to understand it. Next time you feel angry, ask, what feels unfair right now? Is this about real boundary or my perception? Is my reaction proportional? Anger is powerful. When regulated, it protects your values. When unexamined, it destroys your relationship. Anger itself isn't a problem. How you handle it.